Welcome students. This is the second video of Anuragodeha. I got some feedback from certain students. They said that the visuals that are amidst the explanations actually impeded the flow of the lesson and the story. So they requested me to do the explanation first and then post the visuals. And that's what I've done in this video. So sentence by sentence explanations go on, and later you would have the visuals. I hope you all could learn from these videos as well as enjoy them. Thank you.
Students, the sequence of this video is as follows. Sentence by sentence explanation of the meeting of Mahashweta and Pundarika, love between the two, Kapinjala's narration about Pundarika's birth. After the explanation, sentence by sentence, only will the visuals start. This is as requested through a feedback by certain students. I hope you would enjoy this video and learn from it. Thank you, students. Munikumarakam aham apashyam. I saw a rishi's son. Hara nayana hutashanendanīkrita madana shoka viduram vasantamiva tapasyantam. This is reminiscence of the story Kanyayam Kulajeevitam during the wedding of Shiva and Parvati. The story was told in last year. Here, Vasanta is in dukkha because his friend Madana, or the god of love, has been burnt into cinders or fuel. Indane means fuel, that's why we have Indane gas. Into fuel by the fire from the third eye of Shiva. So, Vasanta is the upama for this boy Pundarika. Vasanta is radiating that way, and this boy is also radiating Tejas the same way.
This sentence is a metaphor for love. This boy reminds Mahashweta of Kama and Vasanta, who all go together: desire, spring, and attachment. Akhila Mandala Prapyartam Ishana Shira Shashankam Iva Dhrutavratam. Determined like the moon who wants to attain a full circle on the head of Shiva. So, how was this Muni Kumara? Dhrutam Vratam Yena Saha. He was determined. Okay, he had taken a vow. Like what? Like whom? Like Shashanka. That is who Shashanka? Moon. Now, where is the Shashanka? On the Shiras or the head of Ishana or Shiva. So, and why he had taken a determination, why he had taken a vrata, prapyartam, to attain. Attain what? Akhila Mandala, one full circle. Same way he is compared to. The mention of the love between the Paramatma and the Jivatma, that is Shiva and Parvati, finds the backdrop in this love between Mahashweta and Pundarika. Their love finds parallel in this, and hence the different appurtenances with Shiva, the things with Shiva, like the moon, everything get mentioned, so that love is again and again told by the author, and it forms in the mind of the reader that love and its atmosphere is happening all around. Ayugmalochanam vashīkartukamam kamamiva saniyamam. With a goal like Kama, who wished to control the odd-eyed god. And he is compared, the Munikumaraka Now the simile here is Kama. Kama is the god of love. Again, Bana uses Kama here. Now, Kama miva saniyamam. So, like Kama with a goal. So, niyamam means niyamena sahitam. He had some determination or a goal. What goal he had? Vashikartum, to control. Vashikartu kamam, with a desire of controlling. Okay, so what happened? Whom did the Kama wanted to control? The odd-eyed guy. Who's the odd-eyed guy? Shiva. So Yugma means pair. Ayugma means odd. He had three eyes, no? So he wants to control so that Shiva falls in love with Parvati. Right? So that's the comparison here. In the following sentences, the things that Pundarika wears are compared to all the things that denote love, spring, and such things, so as to create in the mind of the reader the atmosphere of deep love. Tapastataga kamalini mrinalena eva yajnopavitena alankritam. From here, his upper tenses are compared to. Upper tenses means the things that he is wearing or carrying. Now, he is wearing that sacred thread, Janivar or Punal. That is compared to the stalk of the lotus. Ekena sanala bakula palakaram kamandalum. In one hand, he held a kamandalu that seemed like a well-flowered bakula with its stem. Now, what is compared to is his kamandalu, and that is compared to the bakula flower, which was really well-flowered. अपरेण मकरकेतु विनाशशोक उदितायाः रतेः इव बाष्प जलबिन्दुभिः आरचितां स्फटिकाक्षमालिकां करेण कलयन्तम्. In the other hand, he held a spatikakshamala, which was crafted like the teardrops of Rati, who cried out when her husband Makaraketu, crocodile in his flag, that means, had died. What a beautiful metaphor. Attachment, the other word is rati. So, attachment cries when desire is killed by the Paramatma. Now, that her tears, attachment's tears, are what Pundarika is holding. Now, this connotes love, the future of Mahashweta with Pundarika, and what happens to them. Alankaram eva brahmacharyasya appeared like the ornament of bachelorhood. Yavanam eva dharmasya appeared like the youth of dharma. Vilasam eva saraswatyaha, he appeared like the eloquence of Saraswati. Sanketastanam eva sarvashrutinam appeared as the symbol of all the Vedas. This youth, Pundarika, whom Mahashweta is seeing, appeared like all these things, that is, ornament of bachelorhood, youth, the young Veda, young Dharma, and the development of Saraswati Devi, goddess Saraswati Devi, and the symbol of all the Vedas. So radiant, so full of goodness he was. Madhumasam eva kusuma davala tilaka bhuti bhushita mukam. With a face that was adorned like Madhumasa, full of flowers and white tilaka. Atmanurupena savayasa aparena tapasa kumarena anugatam, who was accompanied by another young boy of the same age and appearance. Ati manoharam snanartam agatam munikumarakam apashyam. Ati manoharam, very handsome. Snanartam, for the sake of taking bath. Munikumarakam apashyam. So the same word I'm using. that Munikumara she saw, who was very handsome.
Munikumarakam aham apashyam. I saw a rishi's son.
The following paragraph will have extreme comparisons. Pundarika will be compared to a person who is more handsome than Kama, and Mahashweta more beautiful than Rati. Perhaps a la Ritik Roshan, Deepika Padukone, or Aishwarya Rai, etc. We can have actually fun with this paragraph. Please take it in the right sense. It's step by step comparison and expressions of love and et al. तेन च कर्णावतंसीकृताम् अमृतबिन्दुनिस्यन्दनीम् अदृष्टपूर्वाम् कुसुममञ्जरीम् अद्राक्षम्. Then I saw the cluster of flowers that was unique and that was oozing nectar drops, which was perched atop his ear. Tam tapodhana yuvanam ikshamana aham achintayam. I, who was looking at the young sage, thought this. Aho रूपातिशय निष्पादन उपकरण कोशस्य अक्षीणता vidatuhu. Oh, the creator's tools of producing excellent objects have not decreased. Yet tribhuvanadbhutarupasamharam kusumayudham utpadya tada आकारातिरिक्तरूपराशिः अयम् अपरः मुनिमायामयः मकरकेतुः उत्पादितः. For after creating with best objects of the three worlds, whom did he create? The flower weapon guy. Who is that? Kama. Then Brahma has created this another crocodile bannered guy, that is another Kama, a la magical sage.
Manye cha sakala jagat nayanantakaram sashibimbam virachayata lakshmi vasa bhavanani kamalani srijata prajapatina etat anana akara karana kaushala abhyasa eva kritaha. I quiz. Prajapati got the expertise to make the moon, which is the pupil of the entire world, and the lotuses in Lakshmi's house after creating this guy's face and body.
Anyata kim iva hi sadrisha vastuhu virachanayaha karanam. Otherwise, what would be the reason to create such an object?
Tat rupa atishayam drashtum eva kutuhalat आलिङ्गनलालिसेभ्यः अङ्गेभ्यः निरगात् रोमाञ्चजालकम्. On seeing this wondrous creature, in me arose the desire in the form of goosebumps to hug him. Ashesha Shvedambasa Dauta Charanayugalat Eva Hridayam Avishatrakaha. My body covered with excessive sweat of passion, and from the feet entered love.
अशेष पूजनीया च इयं जातिः इति कृत्वा तत् वदनाकृष्टदृष्टिः प्रसरम् अचलितपक्ष्ममालम् अदृष्टभूतलम् अस्मै प्रणामम् अकरवम्. I decided in my mind that he is of an highly honorable class. I observed him without closing my eyelids, with the opinion in my mind that he was a kind of a person who had never been ever seen before. So, why? What is the meaning that she had never closed her eyes? When we look at the Lord in Tirupati, once again we get to look at Him. We try not to close that eyelids to see. So, same way she was attracted towards this mortal guy, and she didn't want to lose sight of his beauty. And because she's never seen a person like that, and she has fallen in love with him, and he was indeed very handsome, like Ritik Roshan at all, and she didn't want to close her eyelids. And that is what is given here to tell the real fervor of love in her.
तदा तस्यापि अभिनवागतं मदनं प्रत्युत्कर्षन् इव रोमोद्गमः प्रादुः अभवत्. His visible goosebumps said that he too had fallen in love with her and which was his first love. वेपदुगृहीताव्रतभङ्गपीत इव अकम्पत करतलगताः अक्षमाला. Fearing his vow of sannyasa would break, his body shivered and he did not notice his akshamala slipped down his shivering hand. तया तु तस्य अतिप्रकटया विकृत्या द्विगुणीकृतमदन आवेशा तत्क्षणम् अहम् अवर्णनयोग्यां कामपि अवस्थाम् अन्वभवम्. Because he showed excessive change in his expressions. She too experienced love again. It is confirmation from him, and she felt totally different.
Mahashweta becomes emboldened in love. Further on, she sees him also falling in love with her. So she makes no hesitation to ask about him.
प्राप्तप्रसरा च उपश्रित्य अस्य सहचरं मुनिबालकं प्रणामपूर्वकम् अपृच्छम्. Bhagavan, किम् अभिधानः? Seizing the chance, Mahashweta approached his companion Kapinjala, bowed down to him and asked him, Sir, what is his name? Kasya va ayam tapodhanasya yuva. Who are his parents?
किं नाम तरोः इयम् अनेन avatamsi krita manjari. What is the name of the tree of the flower bunch that is on his ear? Iti. Thus. Saha tu mam ishat vihasya abravit. He laughed at me a little and asked. Now this Saha is Kapinjala. Bale Shruyata Asti Kalu Mahamunihi Divyaloka Nivasi Shvetaketuhu Nama. O Lazi, listen to me. Shvetaketu is a great rishi who lives in heaven. Tasya cha Bhagavataha Ashesha Tribhuvana Sundaram Rupam Asit. He is an indescribably handsome man. Saha kadachit devatarchana kamalani udhartum mandakinim avatatara. Once he stepped down onto the mandakini to pluck the flowers for the worship of God. Tam tada Devi Lakshmihi dadarsha. Then Goddess Lakshmi saw him. Alokana matrena samasadita sukhayam kramena tasmin eva asanikrite pundarike kumaraha samudapati. The moment she saw him, in that joy she gave birth to a son in that lotus itself. Tataha
तम् उत्सङ्गेन आदाय भगवन् गृह्यतां तव अयम् आत्मजः इति उक्त्वा श्वेतकेतवे ददौ. Then she brought the baby on her hip and gave it to Shvetaketu and said, Sir, accept this your son. पुण्डरीकसम्भवतया तस्य तत् एव पुण्डरीक इति नाम चक्रे. As he was born on a lotus, he was named Pundarika. Saha ayam, this is he. Iyam cha suraihi मध्यमानात् क्षीरसागरात् उद्गतः पारिजातस्य नाम पादपस्य मञ्जरी. तत् एतत् कार्त्स्येन आवेदितम्. I have informed you all. इति उक्त्वा तस्मिन् सः तपोधनयुवा किञ्चित् उपदर्शितस्मितः माम् अवादीत्. Thus, while the companion spoke to me, the other handsome young sage smiles at me subtly and spoke. Thank you, students. I hope you have learned from this video and also enjoyed it. Please get back with your reviews. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.